Hi viewers, Asma's here and you're watching Virtuoso Palette. Today I'm going to start a new short series that is based on double exposures. It is basically a photographic technique and mainly involves to combine two images to create a single image. So let's see, hope you like it. Let's go to look, watch and observe. Third painting on double exposure silhouettes on Virtuoso Palette. I'm placing a blend of spring green and white using my knife for the base of my mini canvas, painting the background using a wash brush. The base is done and you can see, viewers, the outline for a face I intend to paint in double exposure. I'm using a filbert brush here to apply a blend of grass green and black to paint a silhouette. Now gradually giving some shady effect with the same tone of grass green and black. The same shady effect near the shoulder. Viewers, I have changed the brush now and using a thin brush to create shady branches. Here I will add some strokes with my fan brush. You can see how I'm filling the branches. I have added a little yellow ochre using the same brush strokes and blending a little with the previous strokes. You can see there is a tint of ochre in the branches. I'm about to finish this painting now. Viewers, basically I'm a nature person, and when I started thinking to paint in double exposure, I was more towards to create a landscape in this technique. But you must have noticed that I started with landscapes on Virtuoso Palette. So I decided for portraits and silhouettes. Still, I couldn't resist and added a little nature in all of these. Hope you would like the idea and my effort on Virtuoso Palette. Take care. Viewers, I hope you had fun watching the video. Please do share Virtuoso Palette with your family and friends. See you.